What's the meaning of calorimeter? Calorimeter. Calorimeter.
Calorimeter. Calorimeter. A calorimeter is a scientific instrument used to measure the amount of heat released or absorbed during a chemical reaction or physical change. It works by taking advantage of the principle that energy cannot be created or destroyed, but only transferred between objects. The system being studied is placed in a container surrounded by water, and the temperature change of the water is measured before and after the reaction. By calculating the heat capacity of the container and the water, the amount of heat absorbed or released can be determined. Calorimetry is an important tool in studying the thermodynamics of reactions, including the heat of combustion of fuels and the calorie content of foods.